Okay, Craftsman T1500 with a 547cc Craftsman Chinese engine. Starts and dies, and starts, sometimes runs, but as soon as you put it under load, it dies. First thing I recommend you guys do is replace these Torch F6 RTC spark plugs. This gave me a good spark reading, but it still wouldn't start the machine. So I quickly replaced it with a Champion RN9YC, and the engine actually fired right over, and it ran great. Now another thing is I had the air filter removed, and when it ran great, I put the air filter back on and it actually bogged and died on me. And upon examining the air filter, it looked pretty clean. I did see a little bit of dirt, so I blew it out, and there was actually a lot of dirt caked into the paper. So I blew out the air filter, started the machine, installed the air filter, and it ran great after I cleaned it. So replace your spark plug and clean or replace your air filter. Have a great day.